I think there's studies done when you write things down, it actually goes in your subconscious a little bit easier. All right. So best times to trade, you need to, we talked about the calendar, right? You should have a trade calendar. So when I go to my calendar, for the day, of course, you'll have your appointments. You can actually create a new calendar. You can have a trade school. You can have as many calendars as you want. You can have one you share with your family, a holiday calendar, the market hacks, right? And so I can actually eliminate calendars and have different calendars here. So this way they all go to one. So you see here, spread shorts on Monday on the indexes, longs that open, bullish for this day. This is, some of the things that we share. And, then I go through my month or my week, and I can give an update on what trades and things I expect and, what my schedule looks like. Your calendar should be full, right? Your calendar should have a bunch of full things. I want to get off that. Can't be sharing too much of my personal stuff, but your calendar should look like it's, you put things that are important on your calendar, right? Your time to yourself should be on your calendar. Your time for your workout should be on your calendar. You don't have to make a calendar for other people. You can make it for yourself. You give other people your calendar and they fill it all up. You need to fill your calendar all up. You need to have control of your time. When are you going to trade? Right? When are you going to, if I look on my Saturdays, right? Let me pick out a Saturday and go to the day, right? My Saturday is no calls, short crypto on the Sunday morning, VST, market volatility. I don't know what that's somebody else invited me to something. And then team, I used to trade on Saturday nights, or at least start looking at the market to get prepared for Sunday. So my Saturday already had a bunch of, trading things. And then I didn't let nobody block my time on 6 to 9 a.m. on Sunday, because that's a time that I'm going to either go take a walk, I'm going to look at the market, that Saturday morning is mine. So, of course, then you have, your kids and your family, everything else. Saturday and Sunday is normally family days. So I don't have to put those in there unless we're doing something specific. But that's how I organize, my trading. You can create a trading calendar, right? And you can have multiple calendars. You can have one for you and your family. So this way they can see what you're doing and block it off at the times they want. All right. So use Google Calendar, the Notion, right? You can save some of the stuff that Rhoda is doing, and go over it, because she's giving you the Notion templates, and then you organize that. All right. So then we get a lot of good resources, right? And so one of the things I use is Workana, which it basically allows me to save. Let me see if I can open it up. It allows me to save different setups I have for different trading, for different windows. So, all right. So I have tabs here. No thanks. So my trading startup, if I say, hey, you know what, I'm going to start a trade, I need my windows. I can just open up a new window and it'll open up all the windows I use for trading, right? When I start and trade. So it's coming up right now and it automatically goes, right? So y'all see all my tabs. So I can be anywhere. I just log into my Workana and I say, all right, I need to do my trading, right? And now all these windows are opening up, my trading startup. All right, I'm gonna delete that right now because it fills up on Zoom. So then it's like, hey, you know what? Ah, shit, see. All right, that's what I was trying to avoid. Let me bring it back up. Let me so that we're kind of, I can actually I can do a smaller amount because that was all my trading startup. So anytime I open up Google Chrome, it automatically opens up. All right, but Workana is here. So if I just want to do my trading platforms on TradingView and I hit this, open up a new window, it comes up here. So you can have it for like, hey, I'm doing my morning formula, or I'm paying my bills. You can organize all your bills so this way, you can pay them all at once. It saves you time. So you see here, I normally trade ES and Ethereum, right? So these are the ones that's normally gonna come up. And then the templates that I like, inside of TradingView that I trade the most with, they pop up. All right. So you see here, I normally trade ES and Ethereum, right? So these are the ones that's normally gonna come up. And then the templates that I like, inside of TradingView that I trade the most with, they pop up. All right. So right? And so this way I keep my windows kind of clean, and it's not that many. Y'all seen with my startup, when I'm just starting up in the morning. But I like to trade Aave too. All right. All right. So, right away, these windows come up. Now you don't have to have Workana. You can say this, and you can go to your settings on Google Chrome, and you have on startup. And this is all my things on startup that opens up. Right. So anytime I open up the my windows, all the things I use for trading open up. So this is my trading computer. That's my trading computer. When I open up my laptop, my trading screens come up, like that. Secondly, if I'm somewhere and, I have bad internet connection, whatever, I have a remote desktop. I log into it. I'll give you guys a link. You'll get a discount if you guys want to set up one of these up. But then I set up my remote desktop, and my trading, this is only thing that's on this computer, which is a computer, it's just virtual, is all my trading, right? And so I come here, and the server's always up. So I know my internet's not gonna go down. My trades, if you use automation or whatever you use, whatever you trade, it'll be here. So even here on this platform, my trading view is an app, and it's loaded up here, right? This is how my trading setup is set up. So it's already here, right? This is our job, and my trading screens are set up. My trading view is already here. The screens I like to use for whatever I'm trading, and your setup is here too, right? So all your trading, you can be remote, right? Whatever you use to trade. And this server never goes down, right? It's uptime is 100%, right? Internet, as long as I can log in from my phone, I can get my trading screens, I can control it from a different computer. All I have to do is log into my remote desktop. There's no crypto on here, because it's a remote desktop, but my trading screen, somebody, if they broke into here, they could get to my trading account. They only can trade, or they can lose money, but they can't, they only can lose what's in my trading account. Right? They can't get into my crypto because my crypto is not inside of this remote desktop. All right, you guys follow me on that? I'll send you guys a link for that one real quick. So, all right. Let me see if I got any questions. You guys are quiet. All right. I'm gonna show you guys a trading journal that everybody here can take advantage of. Evernote. All right. So you guys see how I use Workana? That can be one place. It costs I think like $40 a year or something like that. Let me move this up here. Got my passwords up there. All right. Yeah, so if you guys are interested. Oh, no, me. Oh, what's up? Okay. All right. So Scott told me about the stylus. Yeah, so yeah, I keep that pen is right here. I got a charger right in front of me, but I do, it does get lost a little easy.
Yeah, Jamar, that's the best thing in the world. You actually you kind of glue it to the notebook, and then the stylus sticks in there. It never loses. It's never away from the actual pad. So just something to look at.
Oh, that's dope. Yeah. Yeah, nah, okay, good looking out. That's that mastermind, man. Anybody got tips like that? That's gonna help other people. And it says, would I recommend a remarkable tablet over other tablets? I mean, I just do it because it's something I can carry. It has no crypto on it. It just has my notes. So for me, I have laptops, and my laptops I can write on it and do everything that the tablet can do. It just is based on what you you know, what you value. Like if someone stole my remarkable tablet, I wouldn't be devastated, right? Somebody stole my laptop. So even when I go out, right? When I go out in public, you know, my laptop's don't look like a laptop. This is an extra screen. This is my second screen. And then this is a laptop cover. It looks like a notepad, a notebook, but it actually is where I put my laptop. So this way, when I'm walking around, you know, I mean, I got crypto here, but I try to hide it. Right? You know, for me, it's about the process of concealment. Right? I got, you know, holy Bibles, right? And it's really what it is the Holy Bible is a gun holster. So, you know, it's how you want to conceal in your process of security, right? You know, it's just a process that you use. And that's, you know, based on, I don't want nobody to steal my laptops, right? And then, you know, if I got a gun in the car, it's probably gonna be in my Bible.